what you want. Let me love you.
M.A.W mixes.
Yeah!
In the house.
Party people all around the town. It's the ODB, kid. Once again, coming through your area. And I'm gonna tell you one time, you gonna love this. I'm the one-man army, a song. I never been tooken out. I keep MCs looking out. I drop signs like Crosby dropping babies. Enough to make a go crazy. In the G building, taking all types of medicines. Cause you thought you were better than a son. I keep planets in orbit while I be coming with deeper and more enough to make you break and shake you. Oxidate, rhyme good as the tasty cake makes. This style I'm mastered in. You catching headaches, what? You need aspirin? This type of pain you couldn't even kill with Midor. What? Round gets sprayed with Lysol in your face like a can of mace, baby. Is it burning? Well, see now you learning how. I don't even like your profile. It's like wow. Mad styles I seen and heard. No one knows. You forget. Be quiet as cat. Now you know nothing before you know a whole blood clotting lot. You don't wanna get shot. A lot of MCs came to my showdown. They watch me put the low down. As you can go below zero, without a doubt, I never been taken out by a who couldn't figure, yo, but a who couldn't figure, yo, but a who couldn't figure how to pull a gun trigger. Get out of here! When they get too close to the utmost, but I got stacks that'll attack any whack host. Introducing your name. My hip hop drops on your head like rain. And when it rain, it pours. Cause my rhymes hardcore. That's why I give you more of the raw. Talent that I got will rock the spot. MCs, I'll be burning hot. Whoa, ho, ho. Let me like slow up with the flow. If I move too quick, oh, you just won't know. I'm homicidal when you enter the target. Get up, act like a pig, try to halt. So I take out quick, the mic's I'm had man. You can suck me if you wanna step to my mother rep. Blow, 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 blown to death. You got shot cause you knock. Who's there? Another motherfucking hard rock. Slacking on your back and cause raw's what you lack. You wanna react? Bring it on back. Yeah, shame with you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, sure. Shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, sure. Brooklyn, sure. Shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, sure. Shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, sure. Shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, sure. Why?
You wanna fuck what? Jump up and get bucked. If you're feeling lucky duck, then press your luck. I snatch fake gangster MCs and make them faggot flambe. Your nine spray. My mind spray, malignant myths that'll leave caught the fuck. The results, you'll remain stuffed in a car truck. You couldn't come to the jungles of the east, popping that gang, you won't survive, get live. Catching wreck is our thing, I don't gang bang or shoot out bang bang. The relentless lyrics, the only dope I slang. I'm a true master, you can check my credentials, cause I choose to use my infinite potential. Got a freaky flow. Control the mic like Fidel Castro, like Cuba. So deep that you can scuba dive. My job's origin is unknown, like the tubers I've accumulated honeys all across the map. Cause I'd rather bust a nut than bust a cap in your back. In fact, my rap snaps your sapriliac. I'm the Mac, so I don't need the totem at. My attack is purely mental and its nature's not hit. It's meant to wake you up out of your brainwash state, stagnate nonsense. But if you're persist, you'll get your snot box bust. Your press up on this. I flip, hoes dip, none of the real niggas skip. You don't know enough math to count the mics that I put. Keep the dirty rotten stamp, that's his verbal weapon. Spit, spit. Shine like a a gold nugget. Every time I pick up the microphone, I drug it, unplug it on chunks with the gangster battle. Leave your nines at home and bring your skills to the battle. You rattle and and ain't saying nothing. That's why you got snuff when you bump heads with dirty rotten. Have you forgotten? I'll tap your jaw. I also kick like kung fu flicks by run short. Made for a beat every time I G, cause I perfected my drunken style like Sam Seed. Pseudo psychos. I play like Michael Jackson when I'm busting ass and breaking backs in hell. The future fight aroma. Breathe too deep and you'll wind up coma. Toast the king, I'm hard like the fifth of vodka. And bring your click, cause I'm a hard rock knocker. I got ya out on a limb, about to push you off the blink. Let you draw your cross, but you burn the shot blanks. When the east is in the house, you should come up quick.
Are you a pimp? A hustler? No, I'm not. Are you a man? And can you stand alone like a man has to sometimes? Yes, I can. Are you willing to go out there and save the lives of our children, even if it means losing your own life? Yes, I am. I believe you did. You ready?
Nothing to worry about.
Now, I don't push your legs. Almost had the touch of flex. J-Boom is up next. Oh, these so-called players up in the rap unit. Got brothers on the corner selling cocaine. It used to be LaToya and gym hats, but now it's Uzi's Max and G-packs of cracks. Everybody psycho or some type of good fellow, but me, I keep it real, that's all swan like Jello. Don't drink Cristal and I can't stand mo. Never receive currency for moving a kilo or an ounce. Make them bounce to this fake pimp free flow. I never knew hustlers confessed in stereo or on video. Get caught, you'll know who turned states. Evidence, murder, weapon, confession, and fingerprints. Mama always said, watch what comes out your mouth. Tight case for the DA from here to down south. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding like King Solomon's wealth. You're a player, but only because you be playing yourself. With all that big Willie talk hot, you're playing yourself. With all that big gun talk bop, you're playing yourself. With all that rah rah rah, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. With all that rah rah rah, you're playing yourself. With all that big gun talk bop, you're playing yourself. With all that big Willie talk hot, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. Now these ladies is looking pretty from city to city. I refined a few I met around the country. The nitty gritty is all reality, no question. Actual fact like tight jeans, cause yeast infections. And sisters with good minds get no respect when that's all hanging out, playing the bar section of the club. Shake what your mama gave you. Back to the lab, I drop the truth. Cause rhyming is more than just my craft or a way to get that's a fast cast or blasted. Black women, make sure you're respected. When just kicking that old off the walls, let them know from jump dead it. You're not ignorant. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding is the key to wealth. Put some clothes on that if you respect yourself. With those hooker tight wears, hun, you're playing yourself. With those skin tight jeans, baby, you're playing yourself. Everything all exposed, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. Everything all exposed, you're playing yourself. With those skin tight jeans, baby, you're playing yourself. With those hooker tight wears, hun, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. Now I don't bust a tech, bubble drugs in the projects, or use mics to sell sex. Nowadays it's all about this, so much yin yang, it's ridiculous. If you got so much cheese, where are the black distributors? And these record companies shake them down like mobsters. But imposters, like commercial locks are not rosters. Always faking moves, never making moves. Shake bottles, pop, the government is breaking down you fools. You work or we can give the devil back his loot for jewels. And the steak on your plate is filled with chemicals. Still, brothers leave brothers all battered and bruised on the streets. Won't see snakes on my feet. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition because I have a greater mission. I hope that you listen. Knowledge, wisdom, and understanding brings long life and health. Think anything else and you're playing yourself. So all that big Willie talk, hop, you're playing yourself. And all those skin tight jeans, hun, you're playing yourself. And all that rah rah rah, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. And all those hooker type wears, baby, you're playing yourself. And all that big gun talk money, you're playing yourself. Everything all exposed, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself.
I don't play.
You have the power to form and shape. So now, witness the wrath of the man.
I represent all y'all crews, whatever. I gotta do my thing. I represent all y'all crews, whatever. I gotta do my thing. I represent all y'all crews, whatever. All y'all crews, whatever.
Fire, flames, heat up the competition. Spontaneous combustion, like the Pope's religion. Your style of MCing is paganism. Your rhymes make no sense, just like a Roman Christian. But your niggas soup you up like Lipton. The Guangzhou of underground MCing strikes again. The snake bites again, but I'm immune to the poisonous venom. Axe the devil is, it's all about dough. And in case you think we bullshitting, here's the photo. I couldn't recognize the clowns cause they were all put it down. But I peep Foxy Brown, sipping for style in the background, with fake alligator boots on. And smack dab in the middle was hip hop with a Versace suit on. I immediately called Primo. I said hip hop is in trouble. Meet me at my rest on the double. Don't even jump in the shower. Matter of fact, scratch my rest. Meet me at D&D in half an hour. And bring all your shit with you, cause you know what we got to do. Yo, I fool. What's up? Let's Jetson like Elroy. If I recall correctly, I last saw hip hop down at Bad Boy. We'll see if Puff knows what's up, cause he's the one getting him drunk and fucking his mind up. Madness. Scientific madness. My status is the baddest. There's a hole in the ozone layer. I'm dipping vampires, you think I give a fuck who's the biggest player or who got the fattest bankroll? What be it if a man gains the world and loses his own soul? Bioengineered, mutated chickens, niggas licking one another, brother killing brother, and you demon motherfuckers. Start coastal rivalries, the world's greatest lustrous jewelries. Mind y'all lick you with disease, so I inflict MCs like Ebola or some other man.
No monsters. No more scary movies after dark. Okay?
Tell me a story.
How about a scary story? Once upon a time.
There was a big, big cookie.
Yeah, big cookie.
Yeah. Eric Sherman. The P.U.D. Yeah. Check it.
Red Man, Method Man, Lady Luck, Def Jam.
Eric and Parrish, Millennium Ducats. Hold me down. Yo, I grab the mic and grip it hard like it's my last time to shine. I want the chrome in the green, so I put it down for mine. Ill cat, slick talk, slang New York. To break it down in straight English, what the you want? Remember me? You punk, crab MC? Get broken half, around with me. And yo, strike two, my style Brooklyn like the zoo. Hey you, one more strike for me. Word is bit on, rock Esco, boom boom, fat fit on. Every time I get my spit on, no doubt, I spark the crit on. Step up and bless the track and spit a jewel. Keeps cool, believe for static. Next up, yo, I believe that's me. Yo, get on the mic and rock the synth. Yo, B, time to rock. The sound I got, it rings hot, make your neck snap back like a slingshot. E-hustle and muscle my way in, then tussle for days in on my own with blazing. Not for the fun of it, just for those who want me to run it. Then leave them like who done it, sucker duck. I do what I feel right now when I spit the illest. Cats be like, wow, yo, I get looks when I'm in the place. That's that making you smile with scar face. It ain't my fault that my style's sick enough to shock ya. Hit you with the fifth blocker. If I get caught, you can bet I'll blow trial. Be downtown swinging, M.A.W style. Next up, yo, it's Funk D.O.C. Yo, you on the mic and rock the synth, yo. Did you ever think you would catch it? Yo, did you ever think you would get a slap? Yo, did you ever think you would get ripped and thrown out the car? It's Funk Doc, you know my name, huh? My style dirty underground or Ukraine pump. When it hits your pain pumps Kool-Aid through the vein and snatch the trap in a dash like Damon did. Doc walked in red lines to shell shot. Hell locked, bronze and nail shots. Got more bags than bellhops. 2,000 bins on my 8x10 picture. Poppy Chew, slaying crews in ICU. Battling using hockey rules. For Keith Murray, that gon' these rolling down like dice and Yahtzee, fool. I just do it like Nike do. Alabama with 10 kids with hammers hooked to a camper. Yo, next up,
G-O-D.
Yo, get on the mic for the symphony.
Youth on the move, paying them dues, nothing to lose, Street kids, broken and bruised, I ain't your Jews, Bad news, bearing they souls through rhyme and blues. Hardcore, to make the brothers act fools. Hands on the steel, flip your heads over hills. Smell the daffodils from the lyric overkill. Feeling like the Mac inside a Cadillac to bill. Too ill on cuts, the barber of the bill. Figaro, the sky is falling, Geronimo. I feel my heart coming down. Look out below. Hey, yeah. That and spark another. Chicken hawks playing themselves like Parker Brothers. I rock for the low class, from low cash, the broke. Even rock with trailer park trash. Yeah, yeah. The guard on your block like Godzilla. Yeah, yeah. She gave away my Yama. John phenomenon. In Japan they call me Ichiban. Wu-Tang Clan, number one. And the whole nine, a whole mind. Keep playing with it, kid, your mind go blind. Them AKA, but now it's just meth. That's it, that's all. Solo, single, no more, no less.
Next up,
I believe that's me.
Get on the mic and rock the symphony.
Mission stop, drop and roll. Rocks top the gold, hot. Even though the bass froze, pop close range, foes, blaze. Even with
we gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. We gon' hit it down like this, y'all know the flame. Alamo, is you with me? Stud Doogie, is you with me? SOS, is you with me? Yeah, this how we gon' bust it down, y'all. You know the flavor, you know what time is it. Check it, yo. This how we flow. Here comes the boober, and you know I won't fake it. Usually bust records on getting butt naked. Made for the Benzie. Drive a nigga skinsy, pump the tape, grab your dinky with the pool bar frenzy. Come on, honey, thing, don't you try to eject slow downs. What you say once my joint gets erect? Some try to copy, but they just can't sketch it. Some try to follow, but they just can't catch it. Boom, boom, tap, yeah, all of that. I'm living fat, me fall off, there be none of that. See who's the one to flip it? Quick to tell a nigga to zip it, so drink the 40, cause we ain't got time to sip it. Grand Pooh, I got body. Kick some of them, some of those, and some yachty. As dope as they come, suckers sing or hum. Don't try to step to this, you know you shit is slum. First batter up, well here's the pitch, it's a curve. Second batter up because the first got served. The one who arouses a browse for a blouse, kick styles by the pals as I leave a trail for miles. Skis when I please, hit from here to Tel Aviv. I'm getting G's, no more time for the line of free cheese. Here's the 411, the one who gets the job done. I know you know the flavor of the Pooh Bar. Yeah, nah. This how we bump it, yo. You know what I'm saying? Big Jeff in the house. We gon' move it like this. Baby pop in the house. Bust how we bust it down. BR, you know the flavor. Sincere love. Check. Okay. What more could I say? Alamo, get the boom and parlay. I'm far from the average. Civilized a savage when I'm low in protein and with the beans, soup and cabbage. Skins on the diet, kick the flavor, cause it right. Do a show and get the dough and then I'm off till the high. Sometime me on the spliff. Ain't no answer if and if you really wanna riff, you just might end up laying stiff. Jabos hanging back a heel figure on the top. Knapsack on the back, that's just my flavor. As my man gives his nigga. Watch his tree grow bigger. The Paz cave, that's my nigga. Here goes the wreck. What do you expect if you wanna see some wrecks and cast out a check? Grand Pooba, more than a public figure. Now tic-tac-toe means I hit 3 in a row. If I do a show, then you better have my dough low.
What you saying now?